Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure Tailwind CSS in a Vue.js project. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework that makes styling web applications faster and easier by providing a set of reusable classes for common CSS properties. It works really well with frameworks like Vue.js. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that you have a Node.js and Vue CLI installed on your system. To check if you have Node.js installed, simply run this command in your terminal node-v. You can see that I have version 18.16.0 installed, and to check for Vue CLI, just run this command vue --version. Okay, you can see that both of these things are installed for me. If you don't have them installed already, you can simply go to the nodejs.org or Vue.js.org to download the latest versions, or you can visit my YouTube channel and you can install by following one of my videos from there. Once you have the prerequisites installed, go ahead and create a new Vue project by running this command vue create tailwind-vue, press enter. So this is the basically name of the project. You can give it any name, whatever you prefer. Now press enter. This will bootstrap a new project for us. So go through the prompts and use the default setup. Once it is done, you need to cd into the project directory. So let's wait for some time. All right, it is installed. Now you can open this project in your favorite editor. I will be using VS Code. So let's do that. You can see all of the files are there. Now open your terminal again and run the command npm run serve, press enter. This should start your app on the port 8080. As you can see, it is running on local and network. You can open any of these links. You can see that Vue.js is running in our browser now. Now let's install Tailwind CSS and its peer dependencies using npm. So open a new terminal in the root directory of your app or project. Now type the command vue add tailwind. This would automatically install all of the dependencies for Tailwind, and it will also configure everything that has to be done. So just select the minimal option and press enter. So this will generate some default files like postcss.config.js and also tailwind.config.js with the default settings in it. Now we need to add another file with the name main.css, and we need to add the Tailwind directives. Now we need to import this CSS file in main.js. So open the main.js and add this code, import main.css. Now you can open the app.vue component, and here we can start adding styles. So let's say I will just remove it and add h1 tag hello world, and you can see my hello world is here. And here I will add some styles by using class text 3xl. You can see that style is being applied. I want to add some color as well, so add text red this, and you can see that styles are working. So that's it. We have successfully installed and configured Tailwind CSS in our Vue.js project. The utility first classes will speed up styling and development workflow. Make sure to check out the Tailwind docs to see all available classes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for all upcoming videos. Also, if you have any question or feedback, then please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.